on now. Hurry up. You'll be late. Train's leaving. Go on, go on. Come on, hurry up.
Come on, Harry. 1 minute.
Thought you were leaving without saying goodbye, did you? This is for you.
Thanks, Hagrid.
Go on, I'm with you. I'm with you now. I'm with you. Oh, listen, Harry. If that dolt of a cousin of yours, Dudley, gives you any grief, you could always, threaten him with a nice pair of ears to go with that tail of his.
But, Hagrid, we're not allowed to do magic away from Hogwarts. You know that.
I do. But your cousin don't, do he? Hey?
Feels strange to be going home, doesn't it?
I'm not going home. Not really.